In the rapidly evolving world of unmanned aerial vehicles, one name has recently stood out as a true game changer: the Rainbow YH-1000S. Developed by China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation's 11th Academy, this is the world's first hybrid VTOL cargo drone, and it made its historic maiden flight on February 1st, 2026 at Liangping Airport in Chongqing. Capable of carrying a 1-ton payload over 1,000 kilometers, the YH-1000S isn't just another drone. It's a revolution in logistics, emergency response, and global supply chains. Let's talk about it. 大家好，我是 Suran 在中国. Hey everyone, I'm Suran in China, and I hope you're all having a terrific day. I'm having a great day as usual, thanks to all of you. And if you want to help support the channel, it's as easy as hitting those subscribe and thumbs up buttons below. It's 100% free, but goes a long way. Thank you so much. Now, let's get back to the video. At first glance, the YH-1000S looks like a larger, more robust version of its predecessor, the YH-1000, which flew in May 2025. But the differences run deep, starting with its hybrid propulsion system, the heart of its innovation. Unlike traditional cargo drones that rely solely on fuel or batteries, the YH-1000S combines a fuel engine with an electric motor, a design co-developed with a leading Chinese new energy vehicle company. This isn't just a minor tweak, it's a cross-industry fusion of automotive and aerospace tech, making it the first time such a system has ever been used in a large cargo drone. But why hybrid? Traditional fuel-powered drones need long runways, guzzle fuel, and produce high emissions. Pure electric drones, while eco-friendly, suffer from limited range, usually under 500 kilometers, due to battery constraints. The YH-1000S solves both problems. Its hybrid system switches seamlessly between fuel and electric power. Electric for quiet, efficient takeoffs and landings, and fuel for long-range cruising. The result? A drone that can take off and land in 40% shorter distance than similar fixed-wing drones, operating with rough airstrips, rural roads, or even grassy fields. No airport required. Let's dive into the numbers that make the YH-1000S a powerhouse. While early reports cite a maximum payload of 1.2 tons and a range of 1,500 kilometers, its practical operation capacity is optimized for 1 ton over 1,000 kilometers, the sweet spot for most commercial and emergency cases. Its maximum takeoff weight hits 3,300 kilos, with a cargo bay that fits 4 1 cubic meter standard logistics pallets, perfect for modern e-commerce and supply chain needs. With a service ceiling of 8,000 meters, the YH-1000S can soar over mountains, plateaus, and coastal areas, operating in extreme environments where traditional aircraft struggle. It can stay airborne for 8 to 10 hours on a single mission, enough to fly from Chongqing to Beijing non-stop, or deliver supplies to remote islands in the South China Sea. For comparison, Western competitors like the US Pelican cargo drone carry just 180 kilograms, while Europe's Black Swan tops out at 350 kilograms, making the YH-1000S 3 to 6 times more powerful in terms of payload. The YH-1000S first flight on February 1st, 2026 was a masterclass in precision and reliability. On a crisp winter morning at Liangping Airport, the drone taxied smoothly to the runway, accelerated, and lifted off, all within a matter of seconds. For 10 minutes, it circled the airport at low altitude, testing its flight controls, hybrid power system, and stability before landing gently and safely. The flight wasn't just a success, it was a milestone, proving that large-scale hybrid cargo drones are not just a concept, but reality. Engineers on site noted that the hybrid system performed flawlessly, switching between electric and fuel power without a hitch. The 4-bladed propeller, an upgrade from the YH-1000S's 3 blades, provided extra thrust for heavy loads, while the high-voltage batteries, mounted in the nose, delivered instant electric power for takeoff. Every detail from the cargo door placement to the aerodynamic design was optimized for efficiency and durability. The YH-1000S isn't just a technical marvel, it's a logistics revolution in the making. Traditional cargo transport relies on trucks, ships, and planes, all of which have limitations. Trucks are slow and limited by roads, ships are even slower and restricted to ports, planes are expensive and need airports. The YH-1000S cuts through all these barriers, offering fast, flexible, and cost-effective air cargo delivery to almost any location on Earth. For e-commerce and commercial logistics, the YH-1000S means same-day delivery or next-day delivery to remote areas, mountainous regions, and islands that were once hard to reach. It can transport everything from electronics and medical supplies to food and industrial parts, with a payload capacity that rivals small trucks. And because it uses a hybrid system, it's 5 times cheaper per ton kilometer than traditional helicopters, making it affordable for everyday use. In an emergency response, the YH-1000S is a lifesaver. During natural disasters like earthquakes, floods, or wildfires, roads and airports are often destroyed, leaving stranded communities without food, water, or medicine. The YH-1000S can take off from a makeshift airstrip, fly over blocked terrain, and deliver a ton of critical supplies directly to the affected area, fast. It can also be used for search and rescue, disaster monitoring, and even firefighting support, thanks to its ability to carry specialized equipment. While logistics is its primary role, the YH-1000S is incredibly versatile, with applications across multiple industries. In maritime and coastal monitoring, it can patrol vast stretches of ocean, track ships, and monitor maritime pollution for hours on end. In weather modification, it can carry cloud seeding agents to induce rainfall in drought-stricken areas. In defense and security, it can transport military supplies, conduct surveillance, and support troops in remote or contested regions. What makes this versatility possible is its 6 kilowatt onboard power supply, which can run refrigeration units, communication devices, or scientific instruments for hours. This means it can transport temperature-sensitive vaccines, blood, or perishable food without spoilage, or act as a mobile communications hub in areas with no cell service. The YH-1000's maiden flight is just the beginning. Engineers are already working on upgrades, including longer-range batteries, autonomous flight capabilities, and even larger payload options. As production scales up, costs will go down, making it accessible to more businesses and governments around the world. In the global context, the YH-1000S represents China's growing leadership in drone technology and the low-altitude economy. It's not just a Chinese drone, it's a global solution to the challenges of modern logistics and emergency response. Whether it's delivering packages to a remote village in the Himalayas, supplying medical aid to a disaster zone, or monitoring the oceans, the YH-1000S is poised to become the backbone of the next generation of air cargo. As we look ahead, one thing is clear. The YH-1000S isn't just changing how we move goods, it's changing the world. With all the news about military applications of drones recently, do you find it as refreshing as I do to see drone technology being put to non-destructive use? Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video. Sai Chen.